Fremont RQI, located at 42808 Christie Street. Turn into the parking lot where you see the power lines overhead. You can select any open parking space. You will see the address side of the building here, 42808. There are 4 trees configured in a square pattern. Enter the main building through the glass entrance here. Once you come inside, you're going to see a staircase, and you want to take the hallway on the left side and follow it down the hall. We're going to be the 3rd door on your left side, and our suite number is 104. Once you found our suite number, enter the code that we provide you on the keypad here. And once you come inside, the classroom will be ready for you so that you can begin your RQI skill test.